And here we are. This is our Solong Executive Director. His name is Mr. Richard Ren, and his name in Chinese is Ren Chong. So his nationality is Australian, Singaporean, and Chinese. He is been in the industry of global finance for 15 years, as well as being a branch manager in Chengdu, China, HSBC. So he is being awarded as Asia's best banker, right? So this is the humble profile of our company executive director of our Solong. By the way, who is Solong? Solong, ladies and gentlemen, is definitely the system software provider of Realme, Vivo, and Honor. When does the company started? The company started way back December 2022. So December 2022, we are already a system software provider of Realme, Vivo, and Honor. Now, since Richard Ren has a as a banker, Mr. Richard Ren um, did something very nice on his own profession, since he has a lot of friends with decentralized finance industry or blockchain technology. What he did is way back 2024, last March, he introduces the DEPIN technology, which is the decentralized physical infrastructure network. And he started that way back March up until today. He launched his own blockchain, which is a layer one blockchain. That's why no wonder why the name of our company is Solong. It is derived from the word Solana, which is a layer one blockchain, and our own blockchain is the Solong or the L long chain. Okay, so Solana and L long chain. So later on, I will show you the proof why we are a legitimate project of Solana, okay? And the developers as well of Solana blockchain are also the Long blockchain developers. So who are our partners in this industry or company? So there's a lot of different partners with Solong, but I would like just to highlight these three company. Way back August 2024, we are being in partner with Tunburst AI Gaming. That's why by December, this coming December, we are going to launch our own Play to Earn program. And then we are also in partner with NVIDIA, the largest artificial intelligence company. Now, if you're going to ask me how the company can provide 1% daily rebates to our community, the answer is in this significant slides. So yes, you heard me correctly. The company is a product-based company. We have tangible product. We are also offering services. And with that, we are also giving or providing a rebates of 1% daily profit from your total capital. Now, how can we provide 1% daily rebates to our community? It's very simple. The company is in partner with NVIDIA. We all know that NVIDIA nowadays, they have a minimum 3.3 trillion dollars of market capitalization. And Solong did a great job of getting the exclusivity in the Asia Pacific. So in the whole Asia Pacific, there's no way that you can get a direct connection with NVIDIA. No, because NVIDIA, their number one product is the graphic cards. So if you wanted to establish your own AI company, all you have to do is to get the graphic cards. Like for example, in ChatGPT, the reason why the ChatGPT can give you the logic behind your question in just few seconds is because of the graphic cards that ChatGPT have. So ChatGPT has um, roughly around 10,000 graphic cards. So that's how fast this ChatGPT to calculate the logic behind your question. So each graphic card is amounting to $35,000 per piece of graphic cards. Now, through Asia Pacific, if you wanted to establish your own AI company, all you have to do is to go through with Solong. So Solong is the one supplying for all those companies who would like to get graphic cards. And that's what we call commodity trading. Now, I'll give you an example with Elon Musk. Elon Musk is honestly, he is our rival in terms of AI. All right. Now, what Elon Musk did is that way back before when he was just starting with his own AI company, what he did is he opened up the stocks in the stock market in public. So all the public can buy the Elon Musk stocks with his own AI. But all those people who buy the stocks with Elon Musk, they get rebates or they are being compensated very well. Now, in case of our Solong, what Richard Wren did is that he established his own blockchain. Now, we all know that the blockchain company needs community. So the beautiful part of Richard Wren Solong company is that he opened up a multi-level marketing inside his own blockchain, and he also get a manufacturer of his own gadget for Solong. So we have a tangible product, which is a phone, a device which is not an ordinary phone, but it works like an ordinary phone like Apple or iOS and any Android phone. But this one, our gadget, I'll show you here. Our gadget here, this one, it works like the usual phone, but this one is a mining machine and the super node. So what he did is that he built in his own blockchain and exchanger inside this phone. That's why this is now our super node. So regarding with that, since you are buying this phone and most of the people can do staking, so all of that money, we are also providing services, which is the computing power input. So since we are providing services, all people who put their money inside our company, Richard Rent is going to purchase wholesale of graphic cards and sell it all throughout the Asia. And that's what we call commodity trading. So that's the number one source of our income in our company. Now, second is the Google Cloud decentralized storage. So whenever you are holding a mobile phone that has a storage, even if you don't know Solong, you are already a client of Solong. How? For example, you have your own gadget right now, whether it is iOS or Android, whatever the brand, as long as you have storage, available storage, what Solong did is we borrowed that storage and we sell it to the giant companies for them to use that. So most of the people unconsciously doesn't know about it, but Solong company is gaining profit out of your available storage. Second, if you ever experience the let's say on your email, it says there full storage. So all you have to do is to subscribe for you to get an additional storage on your email. So the moment you subscribe with email, email also subscribing with Solong. So that's the beauty out of it because we are earning profits through all the people on the planet who doesn't know about Solong, but we are gaining profit. And then the beauty is that for all those members with Solong, the Solong company gives some of the profits to the community. It gives back the profit. I'll show you the I'll show you the we called it the proof behind it, right? Here, I'm going to share my screen using my mobile phone. So you can directly go to Google Chrome. So all of these facts that I'm going to show you came from Google itself. So all you have to do is to go to deepenscan.io. All right, so deepenscan.io meaning decentralized physical infrastructure network, and then their capitalization is $13.3 billion. So most of the layer one blockchain and the legitimate or genuine projects are in deepenscan.io specifically when it comes to decentralized physical infrastructure network. So once you go to deepenscan.io, just move down a bit and then scroll with AI, click AI, and then Solong is on at least page 5 or 6. All right. All you have to do, okay, no. Let's go to page 6. All right. Let's go to page 7. I didn't see it. Oh, we are now on page 5, ladies and gentlemen. So
Yes.
I think last day we are on page 6, but now we are on page 5. Here, you can see there, Solong, and then all you have to do is to click Solong, and then there you'll see it says here, Solong aims to redefine the new paradigm of DePIN by take advantage of on-chain and off-chain real data and efficient network management to construct a borderless Web 3.0 through API authorization. Users can sell their unused network resources to companies, laboratories, and other institutions. The buying companies of Solong seek unused network resources to access a more diverse range of IP addresses for market research, network crawling, AI training, and other tasks. The DeepN network has promoted the development of cloud computing through the incentive of the economic model and has become an indispensable. So here, as you can see, we are compatible with Solana blockchain, Ethereum, and Binance Chain. So we can definitely make a transaction directly to them. Okay? That's the beauty of this company. Second, if we are going to prove to you that we are a Solana project, all you have to do is to search Solong project. Ito, this one. All right. You just have to go to solanacompass.com and then it says here, Solana Project Solong. Okay, Solong redefined the DePIN new paradigm. So it says here, Solong is a decentralized distributed computing platform built on Solana that leverages AI for advanced capabilities. It connects hardware online and offline to achieve computational power clustering, enabling efficient AI inferencing, lightweight models, and specialized hardware integration. Solong offers an AI-powered mobile app that provides users seamless access to these capabilities through a decentralized mobile as a service or MaaS model. The native SOLG token powers staking and governance within the ecosystem. So everything is here. What is Solong? So you can see everything. The system is very transparent, and take note that this is a website of Solana. So again, the developer of Solana is exactly the developer of L-Long blockchain, which is our own blockchain. Now, if we are really a blockchain company, who is our um, auditor? So there must be an auditor of Solong. So our auditor, ladies and gentlemen, is CertiK. So as you can see here, CertiK, security assessment, Solong. When this happened? This happened way back July 30th, 2024. Okay, and the findings of CERTIC is this. The findings of CERTIC is, as you can see there, executive summary. Right. Types, ecosystem, the decentralized finance, Solana. Okay, and then the vulnerability summary, it says there, total findings 10, 9 is already resolved, and then 1 is already acknowledged. So we have 0 critical, 2 major, 1 is resolved, 1 is acknowledged, 1 medium, 2 minor, 5 informational. So everything is set. That's why it has a grade of 99%, which is a very nice. But ladies and gentlemen, for those who doesn't know who is CERTIC, CERTIC is, this is CERTIC, right? So it says here, CERTIC is the largest blockchain security auditor. So once CERTIC audited your blockchain, if there is a loophole, CERTIC will definitely guide you and walk you through on how to make your blockchain perfect. All right. Who are the clients of this CERTIC? Look, their market capitalization right now is $555 billion. All right. Who are their clients? Their clients are Binance, Samsung, Cardano, Ripple or XRP, Pepe, uh, Bitcoin.com, Ethereum. So all of these are giant company. Crypto.com, Apple is there. So, we are also client of this CERTIC. All right. So at least you know how legitimate our company. So I am very proud that I am also part of this rising leader in terms of Asia Pacific. We are the rising decentralized physical infrastructure through artificial intelligence. So I'd rather go back now to our presentation. At least I have shown you the facts and proof how genuine and legitimate our company. Now, moving forward, let's go back. All right. This is our Solong Highlight Major event. We had an event in Solong Asia Summit in Phuket, Thailand, and then the DEPIN Global Hardware Summit. We had WebEx Asia Tokyo in Seoul, Korea in September, and Singapore. But out of all these major events, the one that I like the most is the VC Horizons, which is we are co-hosted by Binance. That's why if you are going to search, I don't know if I can search here using my Binance account if I am going to click my Binance. Okay. And then I will search here so long. So long. So as you can see, we are also um advertised by Binance itself. So as you can see here, just click the solo. All right. So you'll see there the Solong Web3 Inside News. All right. If I'm going to go back with my slides, it says here like this. Here, right? So it says here, Solong expand global footprints with Korea Summit showcasing AI smartphone mining. When does this happen? This happened way back April 21, 2025 at exactly 3 p.m. What does Solong did? Solong, look, guys, take note of this. Solong, a rising leader in decentralized AI infrastructure, will host its first official Korea meetup on April 21, 2025. Although it's already done, but I'm proud that we are the title, the Global Computing Power Resources Summit Korea. The event marks as a major step in Solong's strategy to expand its presence across Asia and engage directly with the fast-growing Korean blockchain and AI ecosystem. At the heart of the summit is Solong's flagship innovation called the Stellar smartphone series, designed to empower individuals to participate in decentralized AI processing. These devices are more than just mining phones. They represent a new generation of AI native tools equipped with multi-chain wallets, decentralized app access, and built-in AI acceleration. All right, so that's it. I'm just showing you some facts, brothers. Now, moving forward, yeah, so here it says here strength and growth proven by data. Actually, this is not an updated data. Right now, we are no longer 30 million plus, but we are already 45 million plus different wallet addresses all throughout the globe. And we have already sold roughly around near to 100,000 different Stellar phones. So this is a one good quality company that we can work with that can at least last up to the next generation. Why? Because we are a layer one blockchain company. Later on, we will explain what is blockchain. We already have this solo highlight. We already have expanded with these following countries. We are we have office in Australia, Vietnam, Japan, China, ladies and gentlemen. Our largest community is in China. We have 140 different satellite offices, and Nigeria, Ghana, Spain, United Kingdom. We have there some team, but they are not yet that kind of very strong team. I think our team will become the best team in the United Kingdom. I can say, yeah, and also Canada, and we have United States. All right. And here we go. We have the Solong Stellar 1, which is $500. Solong Stellar 2, the $1,500. Solong Stellar 3, $3,000. And we have this Lux L Fold. This one is $4,500 with 1 terabyte storage. No, it's like super computer. So we also have Lux L Pad. And this is also the upcoming products we will be having soon to launch the Smart Band Watch, wherein it's not just giving you a time, but it will also give you 1% rebates from the total price that you bought the Smart Band Watch. We also have the smart glasses. We have now the prototype of these smart glasses. So whenever you are going to use these smart glasses, there is on the beside the ear, all right? Once you wear these smart glasses, it is connected to your phone device, and for example, you are talking with uh different language like Chinese or Korean. Uh, the moment they speak to you in front of you, it will immediately being translated to your native language. So that's the beauty of these smart glasses. Plus the fact that whatever amount you bought the smart glasses, you are also going to earn 1% rebates every day. That's the beauty out of these gadgets and technologies. And we have also the smart massage chair. So this smart massage chair, it is not just only doing massage on you, but it will also give you 1% rebates every day. All right. And we have the high performance miner machine. It's already rolled out, which is the Stellar phones. And we have the L long blockchain. All right. So that's our product. So you see, as we are going to analyze the company is very focused on building products which is tangible and intangible products for people to use. And these products are one of the most impactful thing on the planet. That's what I like the most in our companies. And last but not the least, one of our product is that we have this crypto Visa card, wherein we don't need any other exchanger. So once you avail this Visa card right now. We already sold out with the first batch, so we are waiting for the rollout of the second batch. And then from there, we can buy this Visa card amounting of $200. But the fee is just $5. The $195 will be automatically loaded on your account of your Visa card, so you can definitely use the $195. You can top it up on your account. Right? The good news is that once you have this crypto Visa card, you can directly exchange or put your money from your crypto Visa card going to your bank account, and then vice versa, bank account to your crypto Visa card, and then load it on your system dashboard. So that's the beauty out of it. Second is that you are also going to earn a rebates once your people down the line are using crypto debit card. You still get paid at least some cent out of their expenses. So as you can see, the expenses of your downline, you'll get paid out of it. You'll get paid. That's the beauty. And I'm done with the profiling of the company.